This video walks you through how to record a trust deposit in Clio Manage. Begin by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in, look to the left-hand menu and click Accounts. This opens the area where your firm and trust accounts are listed, so you can move into the correct account before entering the deposit. From there, open your trust account. Make sure you are in the trust account where the funds need to be recorded, since this entry will be tied to that account and reflected in its balance and transaction history. With the trust account open, click New Transaction. This starts a new trust entry and brings up the transaction form where you will enter the deposit details. In the transaction form, enter the amount for the trust deposit and then enter the date. Use the date that matches the deposit you are recording so your records stay aligned with the actual transaction timing. Next, go to the Account dropdown and select the appropriate trust account. If your firm has more than one trust account, take a moment here to confirm you have picked the right one before you continue. Under the option labeled "Is this a trust interest or bank charge transaction?" leave No selected. For a standard trust deposit, that setting should remain on No. After that, select the client and the matter connected to the deposit. This links the funds to the correct client file and matter record inside Clio Manage. Once those required fields are in place, you can complete any optional fields that apply to your transaction. These may include source or destination, payer or payee, payment method, check or reference number, and description. Use those optional fields to capture the details you want included in your record. For example, you may want to note where the deposit came from, how it was received, or add a short description that will help identify it later when reviewing trust activity. If a field does not apply to the transaction you are entering, you can leave it blank. When all of the information has been entered, review the form once more. Confirm the amount, date, trust account, client, and matter, and make sure the trust interest or bank charge option is still set to No. Then click Record Transaction to save the trust deposit. Once the transaction is recorded, the deposit is saved in the trust account and associated with the selected client and matter. That gives you a clear trust record in Clio Manage and updates the account activity based on the information you entered. Your trust deposit is now recorded in Clio Manage.